Good afternoon, Atomy family. I am Pauline Song, Sharon Rose Master and the Center Manager of Atomy K Vision Center. It's such a joy to see so many bright, vibrant faces gathered today. Thank you for being here. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to honor someone very special in our midst. Please join me in giving a thunderous Atomy-style welcome to Crown Master Jason Shim, who's flown all the way from the United States to be with us. Jason, it's truly an honor to have your presence here. Happy belated birthday. His birthday was yesterday, and I wanted to bake him a cake, but I was baking myself. Now, it reminds us that the Atomy vision knows no borders. Today, I want to introduce to you what I call the energy duo, HemoHIM and Atomy Fermented Noni juice. Together, these two power-pack products help you bounce back from fatigue and live every day with energy, clarity, and confidence. Let's face it, we are living in a time of constant pressure, mentally, physically, and emotionally. So many of us feel tired even before the day even begins, right? But you don't need another quick fix or caffeine hit. Who likes coffee? What you need is a daily wellness ritual that supports you from the inside out. And that's where Atomy Energy Duo comes in. So, what is HemoHIM? At first glance, it's a small sachet, just 20 ml of a brown herbal liquid. But don't let the size fool you. HemoHIM was actually developed by Korean scientists at a government research institute called KAERI, the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some trendy herbal drink that popped up overnight. It came out of very serious research. And here's the backstory. Back in the late 90s, scientists at KAERI noticed that workers and patients exposed to radiation, like cancer patients or lab workers, were struggling with poor immunity and low blood count. So they asked, how can we help these people recover naturally? That question led to years of research. What they discovered was a blend of 3 powerful Korean herbs. Angelica giccus. Anyone heard of that? Ceridium officinale and Peonia japonica. Now, these herbs had been used in traditional medicine for centuries to nourish the blood, improve circulation, and restore strength. But it wasn't just about throwing them together. The real genius was in the specific combination, ratios, and extraction method that brought them to life in one formula. And that's what became HemoHIM. Not HemoHer. Now, why do I personally love this product? Because it's convenient and easy to take. You don't have to swallow pills or brew teas. Just tear open the sachet and drink it. Even the dogs love it. Do you know that? Some people like to mix it with juice. Totally fine. But many just drink it straight, like myself. It's mildly herbal, maybe a bit bittersweet, but very doable. Who likes it? Great. And here's something else that sets it apart. It's affordable. Just half a coffee price. You expect a government-developed, patented, high-quality product to cost a fortune, right? Well, Atomy makes sure it didn't. In fact, over the years, they have doubled the number of sachets in each box without increasing the price. And that's part of Atomy's philosophy. What's that? Absolute quality at an absolute price. Very good. All of you know. I end my speech. So, who is HemoHIM for? Honestly, anyone over 15. Everyone over 15 here? Who wants to boost their energy? Seniors love it. Busy professionals, students, moms, and even athletes are using it to improve recovery and stamina. You need stamina to stand here, you know. If you are constantly feeling tired, or if you just want to take better care of yourself, HemoHIM could be the daily habits, that change everything. And once you start taking it consistently, not once a while, you know what I mean when I say it's not just about feeling better. It's about being stronger from the inside out. You will know it when you miss it a day. So let's go to the second part. What is Noni? Let's start from the basic. What's the buzz around this tropical fruit called Noni? Have you ever smelled it? Known as Morinda citrifolia, Noni has been used for over 2,000 years by Polynesian healers, and they call it gift of God, gift from God, and for a good reason, which you will find out. It was their go-to remedy for everything from inflammation to fatigue, high blood pressure to skin burns. Fast forward to today, and modern science is catching up. Research confirms that Noni contains over 200 beneficial compounds. That's a lot of goodness packed into one fruit. So that's where the Atomy twist comes in, where nature meets science. Now, what we see Atomy is Atomy organic fermented Noni juice, and this is not an ordinary Noni juice. It's a fermented premium grade tonic crafted with care. We source our Noni from our very own organic farm in Java, Indonesia. Who lives in Java, Indonesia? Ah, welcome. Yeah. No middleman, no pesticide, just pure potent fruit. But we didn't stop there. Using a unique 60 days fermentation process with a special 7-strain probiotic complex, we have turned this traditional superfood fruit into a modern-day wellness elixir. The result, a deep, rich, and smooth extract that's easier to digest, more nutrient-dense, and tastier than raw Noni juice. Who likes that? Anyone can't go without it. Now, what is inside the Noni juice matters. Each serving of the Atomy Noni juice will deliver you an organic whole Noni fruit, whole, not a concentrate, the whole fruit. It has a lot of powerful compounds like scopolamine, which is for inflammation, porcinonin, cell repair, and iridoids, anti-aging. I think all of us happy to hear this, isn't it? Anti-aging. Okay. All right, calamansi juice. That's why it makes it so yummy for refreshing citrus twist, and added vitamin C. Who likes that? Organic coconut sugar. Very healthy for mild sweetness without the spike. Prebiotic fiber to support your gut and overall the digestion process. All of these come with zero artificial additives. It's clean, wholesome, and effective. Now, why do we ferment the Noni? Because fermentation unlocks the nutrients. It breaks down hard-to-digest compounds, boosts absorption, and even tames the Noni's famously strong taste and smell, almost like the smelly food that we eat in Taiwan, the chou tofu, and the famous Singapore durian. Not exactly very appetizing. Okay? But Atomy's patented 1,440 hours of fermentation technique brings out the best in every drop. It's what makes our Noni juice smooth, more powerful, and gentler on our stomach. So how do you take it? One serving a day does the job. 30 to 60 ml from the bottle. Use the cap, please, not straight from the bottle. Or if you have the handy pouch, you don't need any measuring. Just tear it and drink it. You can drink it straight, mix it with cold water, or add to your morning smoothie. Now, if you want a tip for a refreshing wellness shot, you can have Noni plus ice water plus a slice of lemon. This is perfect drink. Try that. So start your day with it or enjoy it before lunch for a natural energy boost. Just don't take it too close to bedtime if you are sensitive to energy shift. So it's safe for most people, including kids and seniors. But if you are unsure, please do check it out with your doctor first. So what makes our Atomy Noni different? It is 100% organic and farm direct. No artificial colors or flavors. Halal, that's a good news. Halal, ISO, and HACCP certified. Tastes better than most of the Noni products out there. The bottom line, health in a bottle. Atomy Noni juice is more than just another superfruit drink. It's a wellness ritual. A small step every day makes a big, big difference. Whether you are a busy parent, active senior, wellness seeker, or someone just looking to feel more energized and balanced, this is for you. Try it, famous, share it, feel the difference, because when your body feels good, everything else follows. Cheers to your health. The Atomy way. Now, here's why they are the perfect pair. I'm talking about HemoHIM and Noni juice. HemoHIM supports your stamina. Remember that. Noni cleans your system. One energizes your body, the other restores your mind and your gut. And together they create your daily wellness ritual. But it's more than that. HemoHIM supports your strength from inside out, boosting your energy. Noni works on your mood, your gut, your clarity, everything, bringing everything back into balance. So here's how you enjoy the energy duo part on an everyday low. Take 1 sachet of HemoHIM in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait about 30 minutes, then take 30 ml of Noni juice before breakfast to start your day feeling clear and happy. In the afternoon, if needed, you can take an extra sachet of HemoHIM or 30 ml of Noni juice to support digestion, focus, or give yourself a lift. In the evening, no HemoHIM. Why? You want to sleep well. So take 30 ml of Noni juice to nourish your body before sleep. And stay consistent. That's the key. And you'll feel the shift. Not just in your body, but in your mind and in your energy. But here's what's more important and powerful. They aren't just surface fix or changes that will happen. They are signs that your body is resetting itself, right? That your system is finally getting the support it's been silently asking you to do. So stay the course, give your body the gift of consistency. The longer you nourish it, the more it responds. And one day, soon, you won't just feel better. You will feel like yourself again, but stronger. Now, why you have to act now if you have not tried our both combination energy duo? Now, most people will wait until you break down. They ignore the signs until your body says no more. But the wise you sitting here. Choose to reset your body before the crash. Invest in wellness before you have to spend money to see a doctor. This energy duel isn't just a product, it's your daily strength, daily strategy for strength, for clarity, and for to keep calm and clear. Now, so if your body is screaming for help, this is now your moment to listen. Start today. Because energy delayed is life delayed. You don't have to keep pushing through. You can rebuild, recharge, and rise starting now. Chairman Park once said, a company must grow by helping others succeed. And it's true. But how can you truly help others if you are running on empty yourself? This isn't just a business. It's about building something that lasts, something that matters. So let's build it together, shall we? With energy that sustains, a vision that inspires, and integrity that never fades. You were never meant to be tired. You were created to thrive. When your energy flows, your visions grows. And the world needs that new version of you, the one who is alive, aligned, and awakened to the fullest potential. If something in today's message stir your heart, if you are ready to rise stronger, lead with joy, and honor the body and the purpose you have been given, then I invite you, let HemoHIM strengthen your foundation, and let Noni juice restore your rhythm, because truly your best is not behind you, it's rising, and it's just beginning. I'm Pauline Song, Sharon Rose Master and Center Manager of Atomy K Vision Center. Thank you for letting me speak into your journey today. Let's rise together. Thank you.